One of the hardest parts about being an entrepreneur is being alone. A lot of people don't like to be alone and by themselves. I've had a lot of buddies that were really good entrepreneurs doing 6 or 7 figures a year, and they've fallen back into a normal job or being an entrepreneur for a bigger organization where they can do sales or run a team or take some leadership role. Because the truth is they couldn't handle being a solopreneur and building something up from scratch and taking on all the risk and being the face of a brand and all the pressure and stress that comes with it and having to really isolate and lock yourself away. Because the truth is entrepreneurship can be very isolating. Most people won't understand your obsession and your drive and why you want to work 12-hour days and why you want to work weekends and work on public holidays, because 97% of people aren't cut like this. They want a work-life balance. So I would highly recommend, if you're somebody that doesn't like to be alone or you're very early on in your journey, that you get around a really good environment, which is what I did in the beginning when I started my journey, of other A players and winners, where you can go to an office or a co-working space or even a mastermind group when you're starting your journey. Because the truth is, entrepreneurship or your journey of growth doesn't have to be lonely. You don't have to do it by yourself. You can actually join a mastermind group, get a part of a team in an office, work